Welcome to the in front of me ALCATEL 1 2022, and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So let's first open the settings application and then tap here on the sounds and vibration. Here you'll see the ringtone volume panel. Just to change the ringtone volume, you should slide to the left or to the right side, this blue dot with your finger. Also, we can do it by the second way. Just press up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and then click here on this settings icon, and just by the same way you'll see here the ringtone volume panel. To change the ringtone volume, you should slide to the left or to the right side, that's blue dot, and then to click here to done to save the changes. And that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.